Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a bank that I've been using for a while now, and I'm really impressed with it. I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of this bank, and I'll also be giving you some tips on how to choose the right bank for you. What is the name of Novo Bank? So, what is the name of this bank? Well, it's called Novo Bank. Novo Bank is a relatively new bank, but it's already made a big name for itself. It's known for its innovative products and services, and it's also known for its excellent customer service. Pros of Novo Bank. There are a lot of things that I like about Novo Bank. Here are a few of the pros. No overdraft fees. This is a big one for me, as I'm someone who is prone to overdrafting my account. With Novo Bank, I don't have to worry about getting charged overdraft fees anymore. Free ATM withdrawals. I can withdraw money from any ATM in the world without being charged a fee. High interest rates. I'm earning a higher interest rate on my savings account with Novo Bank than I was with my previous bank. Great customer service. The customer service at Novo Bank is top-notch. I've had a few questions and concerns, and they've always been resolved quickly and efficiently. Cons of Novo Bank. There are a few cons to Novo Bank as well. Here are a few of them. Limited number of branches. Novo Bank doesn't have as many branches as some of the other banks out there. This can be a downside if you like to do your banking in person. No physical check deposits. You can't deposit checks into your Novo Bank account. You have to use the bank's mobile app or website to deposit checks. Limited number of features. Novo Bank doesn't offer as many features as some of the other banks out there. For example, you can't get a credit card from Novo Bank. Tips for choosing the right bank for you. When choosing a bank, it's important to consider your individual needs and wants. Here are a few tips that can help you choose the right bank for you. What are your banking needs? Do you need a bank that offers a lot of features, or are you just looking for a basic checking and savings account? What are your banking habits? Do you like to do your banking in person, or do you prefer to do it online? What are your fees? Some banks charge fees for things like overdrafts, ATM withdrawals, and monthly service fees. Be sure to compare the fees of different banks before choosing one. I'm really impressed with Novo Bank, and I think it's a great option for anyone who is looking for a modern, innovative, and convenient bank. If you're considering switching to Novo Bank, I highly recommend it. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Novo Bank, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance and banking.